kitchen gadget that grabs attention. Solves food freshness problems, strong pain point. Magnetic back, easy fridge access, adds practical value. Affordable daily essential. Useful in home, travel, pet care, drives repeat sales. Ultra compact, ideal for mixed orders. Summer item with sun protection plus cooling. Lightweight, low shipping cost, high profit margin. Multiple colors, ideal for bundle sales. Follows the healthy lifestyle trend. Stylish, high ticket, great profit space. USB rechargeable, perfect for travel, gym, camping. Great for fitness, rehab, and stress relief. Small, low cost, easy for bulk orders. Video friendly, great for content marketing.